Namaskar, good evening, salam alaikum, sat sri akal. Welcome to the Friday night 9:10 p.m. show only on YouTube. Brought to you by SCDS Global Branding Private Limited and Deep Flow Franchising. Produced by Brand Trigger and Explorer Freight in association with Capital One TV and Cloud Access. Up Jeeto Bharat Ka Dil with the Great Indian Brand Show with Sudarshan Chetlur. Let me start with a wonderful story. You know, there once was a father who had 3 sons. And he gives each one of them a bag of gold. And he says, okay, I'm giving you all each a bag of gold. And I'll come back after 5 years and I'll see what you have done with it. So when he comes back, the eldest son, he says, it's your bag of gold. It is there with me. And I have kept it just as it is. You didn't tell us what to do. He said, no, I said, it's on you. I left it with you for a purpose. All you had to do was give me back that one bag of gold. The second son says that I spent it. Since it was there, I thought, why not spend it? Goes to the third one, the youngest one. He comes back with 5 bags of gold. He says, this is the one you gave me. This is the 4 I earned out of it. What do you learn from this one? It's what you have with you that will make a difference in your future. आपने जो किया है, आपने जो बोया है, आपने जो पाया है, वो आपका है और वो किसी और का कभी भी नहीं हो सकता. Something that is yours and it can never be snatched away provided you know how to use it and put your best faculties at work. That is what life is about. That is what brands are about. That is what people are about. That's what companies are about. And I am so happy to introduce Season 2, the Great Indian Brand Show with Sudarshan Chetlur, starting with a powerhouse of a woman, Anu Singh Bagal, who with her entire experience of HR and recruiting is now a pioneering name, a scion in recruitment and in the hospitality industry. AB Consulting and Liamana, that are her companies. Welcome to the show, Anu Singh Bagal. I'm so happy you're here, and we are starting with Women Power.
Thank you so very much. What energy you have. I really always admire you as a person, and you are a rock star. Trust me.
You know what? When you had messaged me for the first time, I think you saw the past season.
Yes,
our first, pilot season when we had all the fashion icons.
Yeah.
And I said, yeah, I'm getting this message. Who's this lady? And I think I'm so happy that you liked it, because that's what I think you understand what startups are. Sari cheezein ye kya hai, kaun kaise karta hai.
True.
And your speciality, relationship development and business development. That is what you do basically, right?
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So how has it been so far, your life journey, things that you do? And we'll go one by one, but Brand Anu and AB Consulting. Let's start from there.
So Sudarshan, I always believe that the story you have just mentioning that it's always a lesson in the life. There is always God give us 2 ways to work. One, the way that how you are going to design your life, how you're going to choose the people in your life, and what making you be the exclusive person in your personal life and professional life. My journey as a hospitality consultant started 4 years back. Earlier that, I was the happy consultant of AB Consulting. We were assisting a lot of hotels for the recruitment. We was doing a lot of additions of key role positions. We was placing the people on the right place, right people on the right place.
Absolutely. That is what makes the entire difference.
Yeah.
See, you're in the right place at the right hour, at the right time, with the right set of people,
True. So we made a mark and we placed so many leaders in the industry. And about Liamana is my heart. I am a person, if you're giving me 1 rupee today, my return will be the double trouble to that. That is the kind of a person I am. And I was regarded to the people who trusted me to making AB a asset. And now, Liamana is happy with more than coming up 5 seasons of the awards, where we are honoring a lot of hoteliers. And AB Consulting made a mark in the recruitment. We have a lot of brand additions who trusted me, and being a consultant, my responsibility to giving them the visibility. The why I chosen you in Liamana. What is your views about it?
Well, I'm just honored and I'm happy about it, and I thank God, like you said, because मेरा मानना ये है, a friend of mine used to say, जिसने दिया चोच वही देगा चारा.
True.
ठाकुर भुवनेश्वर प्रताप सिंह चौहान उर्फ मोनू आपके लिए.
So when I seen your profile, I was choosing the people who are very good in hosting. And whenever we do something exclusive, let's add something exclusive. Whenever you do awards, yes, anchor is there. The responsibility of anchor is to calling people on the stage and managing the event. But what about the leaders who are coming to the show? I chosen you for that.
Wow.
That was the reason I found that why not Sudarshan to taking a lead when people are coming for the awards. After award, what is the feeling? Who will create that feeling in them? That's you. So with you, my journey is going to be rocking that. I'm sure
Oh,
about
I'm
it.
already imagining the, Karm Kiya Jaye is the thing, that's
True.
what I follow. And, really, I never even plan what I'm going to have at dinner tonight or where I am because I look at what I have at the moment. Abhi kya karna hai.
Right.
So I'm so happy about that. When you said that, maine kaha, "Arey wah, this is something so amazing." Yeah.
So I always believe on exclusive things in my life. Season 5, Awards of Liyamana will be the mark for sure. We are collecting the leaders of the industry. We are collecting the brands. When you're holding an award on the stage, what is your feeling? With whom that feeling can be shared? That's you in Liyamana now. So I'm introducing you also as a leader to talking to the leader, the feeling of the award of Liyamana, why this award is important to them, why brands are here. So this is all
Absolutely.
about
Awards are in itself, it's such a wonderful. School में जब हमारा नाम लेते थे, इस बच्चे ने अच्छा काम किया, we used to
True.
go back jumping, एक हफ्ता नींद नहीं आती थी हमें. So why
True.
doesn't that happen now?
Yeah.
You gather every moment you can and make use of it. And the awards, it's such a
And
fabulous way.
we don't have a competition with anybody.
Yeah,
we
yeah.
don't have a jealous of anybody. I always admire the people who do multiple events. But yes, we have to choose the right people, right
You
brands.
have your own brand
to collab-
differentiator.
Yes.
That's what it is all about.
Why people come to Liyamana? Why only Liyamana? That is my next destination of this world. That why only Liyamana in hospitality? That's all about my brands.
Wonderful, excellent. I'll come to the next question. Like we've been talking about what you do, what all things you do. There's not one thing in your basket. It's full of such amazing different flowers and fruits. So, what is this thing about uniform and style by Liyamana? What's that?
Okay, so this is very, very small vertical of mine. I don't promote this vertical very well because this is just a small segment. I have a few vendors on board who are not doing well in the business. So I'm helping them to getting connected to the hotels to design their uniform. And for sure, this vertical will be very big, huge. We are just in the process to making this stabilize.
आपको समझ में आ रहा है viewers what is happening over here at the moment? So this is the entirely, मैं क्या बोलूं? This is exactly the ethos of this show. India for India. Be Indian, buy Indian,
Very
become Indian, support Indian. Because, everybody can be a flag bearer of the country. And according to me, मतलब ये show किस लिए हमने बनाया था? It is to highlight entrepreneurs, like middle class. We all are from there, actually.
Yeah,
जो हम कर रहे हैं, मेहनत से यहाँ पे पहुंचे, like, Anu Singh herself, जितनी मेहनत इन्होंने करी है, जितनी मतलब the way she's worked hard to get to the place where she is, she's a renowned name in the 5-star hotel, 7-star hotel industry, and it's so amazing to learn that, the journey from an HR consultant that you were, from a job to starting your own to AB Consulting to now Liyamana, and I do not know, stars. Where next?
God is kind. God is very kind to me.
So that's what it is all about, supporting India for India. That's what it. और इन्होंने यही किया. Those people who make uniforms, उनको लिया on board. Okay, let me try promoting you. Why not? This is how things are supposed to be done. और तभी हम लोग सब यहाँ पे बैठे हैं. So there's one thing that I would like to really ask, and it's rather, for the benefit of all the viewers.
Sure.
There are many people who are in hospitality, if not in hospitality, into collaboration, into liaison, trying to build their businesses. You're such a successful name when it comes to collaboration.
Thank you.
What is it, the one thing, or if I ask you 2-3 things that you follow over there, which you can help others also to understand so that they also dream of becoming someone like Anu Singh Bagal one day? Or I'm sure you would say, मुझसे भी बड़े बनो. It is very important for the country.
Of course. I want my people to grow. So collaboration is a word which have a power. Today, I want to do a big event. Can I do alone? Is this possible? No. Collaboration I created 3 years back in Liyamana. We have collaborated with Pride Group of Hotels. We have collaborated with the Radisson Group of Hotels. We have done a lot of events. Many groups we have collaborated. Royal Orchid, we are doing back-to-back events. ITC also, we have done a beautiful event with them. So now I think the power of collaboration, let brand come, let brand join hands, let hotel get the visibility to getting new people on board. Collaboration is a success key whenever you want to do events.
So I'll ask something very
Yeah.
pertinent over here. So you actually come from that recruitment at see
True.
first profiles and all
True,
that together.
true.
So for you to collaborate with those people and talk in those terms, it is something that you're experienced with, and you know what to say, what not to say, how to
True.
do things.
True.
But when there are beginners over there,
Hmm.
they can't simply walk inside a five-star hotel, or maybe to to a gym, or maybe
Right.
to another brand or a clothes wear or something
Right.
and collaborate. उनके पास छोटे लेवल के क्लाइंट्स होते हैं, you know, everybody, कोई भी छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता, but in
Of
just in
course,
terms
of
of size
course,
of turnover,
of course,
that's what
of
I mean.
course.
No offense meant to anyone. Probably मेरा turnover तो I would not even want to say that. Let's not talk about it. पता नहीं, you know, it said that कि इसका business सब भगवान ही चला रहा है, पता नहीं कैसे चल रहा
But
है.
doing very well. That's the most
Yeah.
important.
So what is your advice to them? Does size matter? What are the things that matter in collaboration?
Quality.
That's it.
If somebody is making a bread or cookie, either it's a millets, either it's non-millets, is that brand is the right reach to the hotel to keep that cookies in the room when people are coming and spending a money and staying in the room and enjoying that cookies? So my level of collaboration with any brand is very clear. If your quality is amazing, I'm always there with you. If your quality don't match, you have to work on the quality. If again you will not work it, I'll not collaborate. Because for me, quality matters a lot. Any kind of collaboration with any brand to get the
Obviously,
business.
everybody wants quality. And suppose, see, there are many people around the country and all that. Of course, please collaborate with Anu Singh Bagal. Go to her, you just go to Instagram and type Anu Singh Bagal, the name that you see in the bottom, and you'll be able to, hit her
Thank you.
profile, So,
Thanks.
but in the other context, like उनके अपने collaborations को बनाना चाहते हैं छोटी जगह,
Right.
तो आप उनको क्या advice करेंगे?
So my suggestion to them who are looking for a new collaboration, choose the right people in your life to making you the vision to reach that level. Don't feel that you're a small businessman. Don't feel that you don't have
Wow.
a links to connect to the people. Let people come to you. Yes, I need this product. I need only your brand in my brand, So this is a power of collaboration. I
Yeah.
teach to the brands. Trust me, the way we are doing with liquor industry, we are doing amazing. God is so kind to me, and every big brand of liquor is collaborating with Liamana. It's not about that we're getting money. It's about that how happy lifting they're getting from the industry.
Absolutely. Collaboration happens at and you know what? The last season which you saw and you were so impressed, all collaboration.
Yeah.
This is happening with collaboration. I mean, there's some wonderful gifting partners we've
Yeah,
had.
you
And we
have
said,
amazing.
आप आओ ना, आप आओ. मैं जो कर सकता हूँ करूँगा, आप भी जो कर सकते हैं करो. Let's all do it together. It's all about that.
Collaboration is all about the togetherness. I recently done an event in Goa, very small event of 50, 60 people in the collaboration with Park Kalangut Goa. They supported amazingly fine to our brand. And trust me, 10 legal partners have there for the collaboration. Can you imagine? With 60, 70 people, we were serving the 10 brands of liquor, and we were serving different kind of hampers to their pockets when they're going. So this is the power of collaboration. I think every brand should understand why Liamana only focus on collaborations. But yes, money comes later on. But now the process is going on.
Oh, definitely. I think a collaborative approach is a better approach than anything else, Because see, हर कोई आपको business ना दे पाए, लेकिन आपका business partner outside partner बन सकता है, जहाँ पे दोनों अपना business कर रहे हैं,
Of course.
but together मिलके कुछ और कर रहे हैं, That's what it is. It's like the contractor and the architect making a building,
Right.
So there is a guy who pays, there is a guy who designs, there is a guy who builds.
Exactly.
It's that kind, and it's that simple. That's what happens in business as well. Okay, it brings me to the next question.
Yeah.
Why did you get into this business?
I am a very, very happy traveler. I love traveling. I love to explore new things. And according to me, this is a one life. Live the life you want to be lived. Choose the right place where you're traveling. Choose the right food, what you're eating. Choose the right people whom you're walking towards. So when I started my journey as a hospitality consultant, I started getting, I'm not against about the influencers and people who are promoted, but I think we should do something exclusive. So when normally people go to the hotel, they do the hotel promotions and all, but I create what can be done for the business. So my thought for the every traveling, that what next to be for this hotel. So this makes me interesting, and more things are coming up on the way.
That's what it is. Spot the gap, the opportunity. That's what you thought. Where is the gap? जब आपको business grow करना है, see, there are 10,000 consultants like her. There are 10,000, brand building consultants like me, and they are better than me. Some worse, some
maybe
less, some
far
more.
experienced than
मैं कहीं
me
से अच्छा
also.
होऊंगा, कहीं से बुरा होऊंगा, कहीं के समान होऊंगा. That's not the question.
Right.
It's with what I have in my hand,
True.
and how awake I am in the industry. Can I spot the gap? मैं क्या difference निकाल सकता हूँ कोई? I've always believed one thing. When people ask me, okay, define branding in one sentence. I always say this. Branding is that needle in the haystack which you find, and once you have it in your hand, that needle, you stitch your brand to the customer.
Exactly.
Simple.
Amazing,
That's
amazing,
it.
amazing.
It's a needle in the haystack.
amazing,
So
amazing.
for her, it was that she already was into recruitment. She knows HR like the back of her hands, huge experience behind. AB Consulting, then she started recruiting and all. And she said, when all of these things are happening and I'm doing for five-star hotels, how do I make the lives of five-star hotels better themselves?
Yes, yes.
And then she got into these collaboration and Liamana happened and
And
all
I'm
these
so
kind of
thankful
things.
to all the people who trust my every concept. If I serve something in the plate that I want to do this, be creative.
And on that note, I would say, when we were about to just begin our dialogue, so she was telling me, Sudarshan, ek baat yaad rakhna, God ka zikr zarur karna hai. You know, what does it mean? It shows that no matter who you are, you realize that you are not even dust in front of the master creator.
Yeah.
And we are just dust particles who are gathering together and looking like a beautiful statue.
I believe that every leader in the industry, every named person in the industry belongs to God.
Absolutely. Everyone in this world.
COVID taught us more meta things to how we are close coming
Sometimes
to the
you
God.
really need to be shaken out of your inertia.
Exactly. The way I suffered COVID, I was not able to think that I'm going to live again. But I think God was with me. So God, this is the reason I always tell you that, or anybody, if you want to talk to me, if you want to work with me, start with a God, please.
Okay. That is so amazing. जो आपने बताया, like the element of God in everything that you do.
Yeah.
Right? So on that note, there's a very special gesture from our side. So please hand over the plant to me.
Oh.
Everything made by God is in full piety and is so pure. And in, मतलब उससे ज़्यादा शुद्ध और पवित्र कुछ नहीं होता. So from Grow Green Wonders, a token of that, we need to look into God's own creation, the plants. So this is something for you, Anu.
Thank you
and
so much.
The idea is that
So beautiful.
It grows with your
it's
dreams.
smelling so amazing. Trust me, the fragrance and the quality of the plant. So there's a reason, why I need these kind of brands in our community to know people that how plant can be designed and see how they're using everything. Very niche, very clean.
Very clean,
if we are gifting somebody, they'll be happy.
They'll be happy.
Thank you so very much.
So this is from Grow Green Wonders. Sanjay Tolani is the name of the person. Go to their Instagram and check that out definitely. Yeah, I'll just give it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My dear friends in the studio. Yeah, okay. So I'll come down to the next question, which is, there is one question which even Anu can't answer. मैं तो कर नहीं सकता, but Anu can't answer. Anu, tell me the name of all the 53 awards that you have won.
Oh God.
So I scored one up over here.
Oh my God. Yes, 53 awards I received in my life. I think, and all from the celebrity ministers and all. But I don't even showcase them because I think somewhere I post in social media, because earlier I was not using social media when I started getting my awards. But when I started using that, how powerful my awards are. So this year also I nominated as the best woman entrepreneur.
Every moment. I think that's what is the learning behind this.
I'm learning from the Instagram that how we, more in our.
Oh, I'm learning from you on Instagram. Well, Jesus, have me for that one.
So being a consultant, I got honored to be receiving the 53 top awards of India yet. Yeah. So I'm sure God is kind for more.
Oh, definitely. I'm sure with the kind of efforts that you're putting and the why behind a business. See, brand building is all about finding the why, the intention, the purpose. And remember, money is never the purpose.
Yeah.
The aftermath, the consequences much greater. हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, कि जो हम करते हैं कि कर्म ही करते जाओ, इच्छा रहे ना फल की. ये हमारे स्कूल के प्रेयर में होती थी लाइन. We were kids, we never understood the seriousness of that. लेकिन आज मैं वो सुनता हूँ ना, तो literally, रोटे खड़े हो जाते हैं, and you get goosebumps and goose pimples, And there's another line which said in our school prayer, स्वयं विधाता हो हे मानव, अंतर में विश्वास जगाओ, अपनी आत्म ज्योति से पुलकित, अपने सूर्य स्वयं बन जाओ. Just imagine the kind of...
You're the boss of yourself. You are the god of yourself, of your life.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
That.
See, we are the decision makers of our life. Everything that happens, कुछ गलत हो रहा है, वहाँ पे भी तो हम ही हैं. हमारे साथ कुछ गलत हो.
It's all about karma. What you give, it come back to you.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I think, people these days, what's the problem? People get attracted towards some small things. We should stop getting attracted, whatever we're getting, do what your heart wants.
Yes.
The one heart, one decision yourself.
Yeah, put your hand to your heart. That's what we always say. Yeah. So when we were talking about it and you said that your greatest dream is finding the opportunity in the niche. So is it in you or also in people? What's it like? How do you go about that?
So
what is your way of finding the niche?
See, opportunity for me, it means, for example, I'm meeting to you and I found that Sudarshan have a right capability to do this collaboration with my brand. So I find myself that what right in you to adding up.
So everybody has something special that you need to
Everyone in this world have a different kind of synergy. It's all about how we are finding it out. And trust me, when I met you, I found that how smart, how well spoken, how positive person he is. I was looking for the opportunities.
I want to understand. I'm really, really grateful and thankful. I hope my wife is listening to this one. I hope my parents are listening to this one. कि उन्होंने मतलब कि
अच्छे बेटे को जन्म दिया, अच्छे बेटे को जन्म दिया,
खानदान का नाम रोशन करेगा कहीं ना कहीं जाके.
रोशन कर दिया.
बस उसमें एक चीज है that I want to know. मतलब what are the qualities that an entrepreneur needs, someone like you, or small or big or whatever, to spot these kind of things? How do you spot differences in people? Because I'm sure many people would want to learn from this.
First is your character. Be stick to your character. Don't compromise whatever you get in your life. Do what your heart says. I told you this is one heart, one decision, one life. Don't be compromised in anything.
Yeah.
Don't make low to yourself in front of anyone. For example, you're meeting Salman Khan. Oh my God, it's okay. He's a celebrity. He's earning. People pay him because he's a name. But you are not less than that. That's the reason you have a thought to meet Salman Khan. So I think we should make ourselves very, very exclusive and don't beg anyone. Let people come and collaborate and say hi to you, but don't go to the people easily. And choose very wisely whom you are talking, whom you are working, See, I told you a lot of brand call me and collaboration. First I go, I understand the history of the brand, history of the person who's running the brand. If he's a wrong choice to me, sorry.
Yeah, absolutely.
I cannot. I declined so many opportunities.
So it means basically, जो आप कह रहे हो, no, don't take emotional decisions.
No ways.
My teacher always used to say, whenever you're emotional का मतलब यही नहीं कि आपका दिल बह गया, मतलब आपको बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है, ये भी हो सकता है.
Right.
या बहुत ज्यादा खुश हो, वो भी emotion है.
Right.
Give that rest. उसके 10 मिनट बाद जाके सोचना कि आप करने क्या वाले थे.
No.
And still, if you think that what you are doing was right, then take that step.
Yes.
You know, to dig everything inside.
And very, very clear, Sudarshan, don't compromise on a small things.
Yeah.
Don't say no. Don't say that मैं no बोलूंगा तो मेरा opportunity close हो जाएगा. If your heart don't want to do anything, don't do that. You're not able to sleep on that night.
Absolutely.
So better to get a better sleep.
Yeah. Sure. That is really fascinating. Yeah, a lot of insight that you have given. And one thing that I come to a decision regarding you is basically all this makes you excellent at networking. So I'll ask you this one thing, that how do you practice networking in the next 30 seconds of 1 minute? That what do you think are the principles of networking that you practice that people could learn from you? As brands need networking, business owners need networking, Yeah.
So my suggestion, the people who are looking for a networking, whenever you go to any event, don't expect that you're getting a card from the people. Try to face a read of the person, that how you're reading the person. Is the vibes are matching or not?
Yeah.
If the vibes are not matching, getting a card, looking them on a Google, not required.
Nothing will happen.
First meeting is always the last meeting of our life.
Oh
yes.
my God.
So whenever I go to the networking,
love at first sight, जैसे बोलते हैं.
Yes.
Oh
am I getting a
God.
vibe? Yes. No. Leave it.
So I have learned a huge proverb which I'm going to use in the coming episodes. The first meeting with a new person is also your last meeting.
Yes.
Absolutely. My God, that's a roller coaster. My God.
Thank
Definitely,
you so
definitely. What is your advice to entrepreneurs and people alike, like whatever field you are in, whether you're in hospitality, अगर आप hospitality के बारे में बताएंगे तो it will be better. Somebody starting off, because there are many people with dreams,
Yeah.
What is it, the one thing that you would advise them?
To being the entrepreneur, I just follow 3 mantras of mine, which I want to share today. 1, feel that you're the exclusive consultant. No one is like you in the world. Number 1. Number 2, choose the people who are very, very, very better and higher than you in your life. Number 2. Number 3, just leave everything on God and do good karma.
Yeah, Bada, nothing can be put more simpler than this, Make yourself exclusive just by thinking. That's what she's saying. अपना कुछ एक exclusive निकालो. Over time पता लग जाएगा. Don't worry, it will happen. आप पैदा हुए हो, ईश्वर ने आपको दिया है कुछ ना कुछ, तभी आप हो. Second, you said was what was the thing?
Higher than you.
Yeah. People who are better than you, move around with them.
Yes.
यथा राजा तथा प्रजा होता है ना, यथा प्रजा तथा राजा.
True.
ठीक है, ये बहुत जरूरी है समझने के लिए. Just flip it around and see the company that you becomes the person, the 5 people he sits and moves around with most.
Just imagine you're getting an opportunity to meet Mr. Ambani for 5 minutes. Yeah. That's the reason I believe that you should meet to the higher intelligent people than you.
Absolutely.
That's the reason I
absolutely.
always find out the way to reach to the people. Ask me, you are working for a hotel industry, you are connecting to the directly owners, and you are connected to all the entrepreneurs who are sitting on the top. I said, they are the authority. If they like my work, no one can say no to me. Either it's any junior manager or anyone. You know?
Yeah,
So I always believe that thing that you're going to sit with Mr. Ambani in another 1 year.
Absolutely. Your manifestation, that's very important.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And then you said the third was God is above
God.
everything else. देखो, यत्र तत्र सर्वत्र. ठीक है सारे साम नाम दंड भेद लगा लो लेकिन जो ईश्वर चाहेगा वही होगा, which means just have faith and keep doing.
And my one more suggestion to every entrepreneur, be the way Mr. Tata is.
Yeah.
He is not having a fear that he's losing anything. He's doing every
उसको करते
day.
जाने.
See how many
Absolutely,
brands he have
absolutely.
created.
I mean, there's not a
Still
single
he's-
Indian who's not inspired
And
by him. You
see
know?
the age, see how endless he is, how he is giving a platform to all the people in the world.
Yeah. The
At
intent,
least we
the
can't reach
thing,
him,
you
but
know.
be with him and be like him as an entrepreneur.
As an entrepreneur, yeah, absolutely amazing. So, what is your success mantra?
My success mantra
आपने ये
is,
सब तो खैर है ही, but if there's one line that you tell yourself, right? What would that be?
so my success mantra is Anu Singh Bagal.
Brilliant. You know, Swayam Vidhata ho hai manavantam.
I love myself a lot. I love my work a lot. I created myself the way I want to. I think I am the success because of myself. I self-made person who is very self-obsessed, who is very self-motivated, and who is very self-helpful to a lot of people. So I think I am the myself is the reason, with all blessings of my family,
You know,
my
sometimes it
God,
really
and my
works a lot, you
friends,
know.
the way I am today because of my good positive
I,
vibes.
me and
with-
myself, you know, I think it's a good idea to have it somewhere within you for some time, provided all of them are aligned to what she said, like the principles of Mr. Ratan Tata, thinking God. अब जब ये सब चीजें सोच रहे हो तो I, me, myself सोचोगे, कोई बुरा नहीं है. It is wonderful. I
Yes,
think that's
because
really
my
amazing.
family always taught me, don't forget that you are only the one person in this world.
Absolutely.
So my father, everyone who is connected to my life, they said you are really different. So I think success mantra is Anu Singh Bagal. And my brands now.
Wonderful. So that's really amazing. So that brings us to, I would like to, go to a rapid fire
Thank you so
questions
much.
for this one. So just 5
Amazing.
seconds.
I must say that this is one of the best interviews I had in my life. I've given so many interviews, but this is amazing.
Entrepreneurs, you're missing out. You've got to be there on the chair that she's sitting over here right now.
Thank you so much. It's
Yeah, so
amazing.
let's have this rapid fire question. So
Yeah.
anything that comes to your mind in 5 seconds. So
Okay.
we'll have 10 questions, right?
Yeah.
One word that defines entrepreneurship.
Loyalty.
Loyalty. Yeah. Such an amazing answer. Yeah. Brilliant. The worst thing that a brand owner could ever do.
Ditch to anybody. Don't.
Wow. Betrayal. धोखा नहीं देना. दोस्त गलतियां होती हैं लेकिन धोखा नहीं.
Yes.
The easiest way to make a brand sell.
Keep smiling. Keep looking the best options in your life. Keep
Should I
smiling.
say something for
Yes.
this? On Anu's behalf, collaborate.
Yes. Collaborate.
Yeah,
Yes.
collaborate. Okay. Now, number 4. The greatest offer you could make to a customer.
100% guaranteed on your business.
On
To
your
getting-
business.
Getting your business, the best business in this world. As a
Wonderful.
consultant.
मतलब आप अपने बिजनेस की 100% गारंटी लो कि जी मेरा तो काम ही है मैं ये
Yes.
करता हूँ तो आई एम गिविंग दैट गारंटी आप लो मेरा प्रोडक्ट वंडरफुल नंबर 5 the best one word compliment you could give to your team member because I think branding begins I have always said branding is a process that is inside out
Right.
it's within you
Yep.
and then outside you it's within your company first and outside your company so then the best one word compliment you could give to your team member
Be the best God lover.
वाओ बस प्रभु से रखो प्रेम बाकी सब
Rest is more Maya and myth.
सब मोह माया बाकी सब क्या बात है the place where advertising agencies go wrong
They are doing so much bad to bringing organic things in the social media.
Oh,
they are adding
yeah,
fake
yeah.
things. They are adding fake likes, fake views.
Yeah,
this
yeah,
is the
yeah.
reason why
Let's
people
stop all
stopped.
that,
That's the reason people stopped doing the collaboration.
so I'll tell this मैं बहुत proud होके मैं बता रहा हूँ that when I started my business SCGS Global
Yeah.
Branding Private Limited जब मैंने मतलब first it was a proprietor company way back in 2002 Sudarshan Setu Design Studio I had come out of a great misery I was suffering from my teacher told me अपना तो शुरू कर मैंने कहा सर किस नाम से करें? अपने नाम से कर ले, सुदर्शन डिजाइन स्टूडियो। मैंने कहा सर ये करते हैं। तो इट वाज ऑन माय बर्थडे
Oh wow.
एंड दैट वाज अ टाइम व्हेन आई एंड माय वाइफ, हम लोग में हताश हो चुके थे, सब कुछ खत्म हो गया था हमारी लाइफ में। वी हैड सफर्ड अ ग्रेट लॉस, समबडी डिस्ड अस वेरी बैड, यू नो। तो मतलब ये लगा लो कि 2-2 रुपए ढूंढ रहे थे हम घर में इकट्ठे करने के। दैट वाज अ टाइम। तो उन्होंने एक चीज बोली, लाइक व्हाट यू सेड, यू नो, नेवर डिच एंड ऑल दैट, जो आपको बता रहे हो क्या, कि उन्होंने बोला एक क्लाइंट आना मुश्किल है, 1000 आने आसान है।
1000 आने आसान है.
Yeah,
Right.
so this reminds
The
me that
first,
what, you know,
client is always your
yeah,
God.
yeah. So इसलिए, you know, be truthful.
Yeah.
That's it. Right? Great. 7. The best compliment you would love to hear for your brand.
Best loyal brand of the world.
Best loyal brand. You know, the very first thing she started was with loyalty. Remember?
The same I want for my brand.
Yeah, definitely. Okay. Number 8. The one thing you say to yourself when you wake up first thing in the morning.
Jai Shri Ram.
क्या बात है, जय श्री राम, जय सिया राम। Absolutely,
That's
मर्यादा
my
पुरुषोत्तम
energy,
राम।
my breakfast,
Definitely.
my smoothie drink, everything in the morning.
Absolutely, भगवान का नाम लेके भैया आपने आंख खोली, हमारी आज सुबह, तेरे पे दिन अर्पित। That's it.
True.
You know, that's the greatest offering. Whatever you do, offer it to God.
Yeah.
खाना खिला रहे हो, offer it to God. पैसे दे रहे हो, offer it to God. काम कर रहे हो, work for God. Like that.
Right.
ठीक है? The last thing you say to yourself when you're going to sleep.
Jai Shri Ram.
जय श्री राम। Wow, absolutely.
Sorry, I'm very, very.
No,
but
this is-
I'm talking from my heart.
See, it's not, देखो, it's not about जय श्री राम. You know, whoever you follow, जो भी आपके, you know, इष्ट देव हैं, बात उसकी नहीं है। आप उनका नाम लेके चल रहे हैं. That is very important.
But I'm just saying why I'm saying Jai Shri Ram, because he's the only one who made me. He's only the one who listened me. He always the one who walked with me. When I feel that okay, my God is with me.
Absolutely.
And when I came here or anywhere I go, I said, okay, God, I'm going. I'll be back. When I go back, okay, I'm here at home. So this is my practice I follow in my life.
Brilliant,
And I
brilliant.
want to say to everyone, keep following Jai Shri Ram. It really means a lot. It really gives you
Absolutely.
power. It really gives you a lot of success in your life.
बिल्कुल,
Trust me.
बिल्कुल. And you send me messages like that when something would be a bit discouraging. हाँ, जय श्री राम.
I always write.
Always right. Yeah. No, she is true to her heart. Okay. There's a witness out here. Okay. Question number 10, the last. The greatest punchline you have ever come across or heard in life or of any brand or anything. लगा यार ये बहुत weird था, ये बहुत happy था, ये बहुत बेकार था. It could be in any proportion.
I want to follow your brand in this. What is your punchline?
अब जीतो भारत का दिल.
Yes, this is the one line I liked a lot. And when I was coming today, I especially made a video to say this.
Wow.
अब जीतो भारत का
Thank you
दिल.
so much. That's an honor. That's an honor. And on that note, I would like to give you a gift hamper.
Thank
that
you
has
so
been
much.
So kindly sponsored by our gift sponsors.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you so much, my friends in the studio. You guys are so sweet. So this is
Oh, wow.
Dr.
This is-
Venus, a brand of cosmetics. And
Wow.
I would love that you actually introduce her to your 5-star
Oh,
hotels.
thank you
and
so
tie
much.
up with
For
her.
sure, for
100%,
sure.
please. And then this is Arogya gluten-free atta. And he's given some nice, you know, dry
Very
fruits
nice.
and all. That is something
and
else.
I'm liking this.
Yeah.
I think something is
Yeah,
interesting.
so there is a mug over here, which is the have coffee or tea or whatever is this one. Yeah, that is something from our side.
And I'm thanking to this gifting partner. My assurance,
Yeah.
this brand will be safe in Liamana hands and your coordination, and we'll be launching this very soon.
Thank you so much. That is so kind of you, and definitely you already have the plant with you.
Yes.
Grow Green Wonders, and the packaging has been done by there's a wonderful girl. She has a company called Nature Weavers.
Wow,
Right?
great.
And she supports Manipuri tribals by buying all this and getting
Oh,
these
wow.
things done. So she created and visualized
So we
everything.
have many more in Liamana to add.
Yeah, absolutely. Her name is Sneha Verma. And so I'll be introducing you to a couple of people and I'll ask them to get in touch with you.
Sure.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Anu,
you so
for being
much.
over here and honoring us. You know, मैं वही कह रहा था कि become someone. मेरे पास तो मेरे टीचर ने बोला था एक आना मुश्किल है 1000 आने आसान है, right? मेरे पास तो 250 सब्सक्राइबर्स है मेरे चैनल के. उसके बाद भी Anu has come, so you can imagine it's all happening because God wills it.
No,
I
I
think
am
that's it.
always with you, and I just want to give a small note for season 5.
Yeah.
Yes, we are
Yeah,
writing
Manda.
up new brands. We have a beautiful partners with us from your edition. We are taking icons also on board.
Yeah.
My again message to you, when you're coming to Liamana Award season 5, keep that feeling in your heart what he is going to ask you. That will be the most touching question to holding Leah Mana Awards Season 5 trophy in your hand.
Yeah.
What is his next question?
On camera, I comment. We'll make it special.
Yes.
Thank you so much. It
thank
was
you so
wonderful.
much.
Great,
Thank
great,
you.
great.
Thanks.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Anu. And all to our sponsors, Dr. Meenu's Arogya gluten-free
Well
food,
done, well
Grow
done.
Green Wonders. This is the Great Indian Brand Show with Sudarshan Archetu. We have started season 2 with a bang with the very first episode with Anu Singh Bagal, the name in hospitality
Thank you so
industry.
much.
Please go to the Instagram handle and find her out over there. Do get in touch with her for all the brands over here and make sure you're sitting in the seat that is where Anu is sitting today, and
Yes.
that is what even she would want. We're here. ये भारत को भारत से जोड़ने की यात्रा है. जीतो भारत का दिल. आप एक entrepreneur हो, and this is about entrepreneurs, क्योंकि जब आप किसी को नौकरी देते हो, आप 5 लोगों को खिलाते हो, और उससे बड़ा मतलब मौका जो आपको ऊपर वाले ने, that is the greatest blessing you have, and that is why my heart beats for entrepreneurs. Thank you so much.
And end of the day, what we have to say?
जय श्री राम.
जय श्री
जय
राम.
श्री राम. मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में. Thank you.
It's rocket launching day. Right on, it's time to play. All set, ready to go.